my dear traders, today is October 16th, Friday. I'm pleased to share my regular market review with you. World Bread Day is celebrated today. Another big event is National Boss Day. If you are supervised by a boss, it will be a good idea to give him bread as a gift. I guess he will reward you with a bonus. Yesterday, the US dollar slipped in light of Donald Trump's intention to allocate another $2 trillion for the national economy. However, his proposal was rejected by Democratic opponents. Meanwhile, the dollar strength amid gold weakness rests on fundamental factors. Now back to our charts. Yesterday I advised you selling gold. Personally, I was selling gold in the American session on a breakout of European high. I closed the order because the American session finished with a bullish bar. Not good. There are nice targets, but it's better not to play against Americans. I'm going to see what will happen today when the good level formed 2 days ago is broken. I would prefer to see a fake breakout. Let's keep a watch on the American session on Friday. If they continue with the bullish push like yesterday, it wouldn't be so nice. I see great downward targets for selling like 1,880. Let's see what will happen tonight. Gold always trades well in American sessions. Let me show you on the chart. Here are the triangles with the highest volatility. Recently, Asian traders also want to set the tone on gold, but we cannot follow them in our time zone. The next instrument to discuss is the euro. Yesterday it briefly touched 1.17 and went downwards. Today it is in standstill. There is still a chance to push down the low as September 30th. It is better to buy here. Not the best idea to open a long deal next to such lows. If you actually buy here, you will eventually return here. It will be better to benefit from the dollar strength in another instrument, for example, against the New Zealand dollar. The pound sterling. Yesterday, no economic data was released for the UK. Now the EU is holding a 2-day summit devoted to Brexit. No statements have been made yet. The sterling is weighted down by the stronger US dollar in the European session. Yesterday, the euro, gold and the sterling were falling in the European trade. Today, the pound is regaining footing. Everyone is alert to the news from the summit. If they decide something on the trade deal, we'll see this even on small time frames. The chart reveals that since the early European session, the sterling is sharply bullish. Yesterday, I noticed a powerful spike and opened a long deal which was closed at break-even. Later in the evening yesterday, the pound weakened amid the lack of news. What worries me as a sterling buyer? Since late September, you can buy the pound at any price. If Boris Johnson provides his stubborn nature at the summit, the sterling will be doomed to failure. Now I'm puzzled about the sterling. Of course, I want to buy it, but I don't like what the price is plotting now. I should think it's over. Probably you noticed that the pound-dollar pair is gyrating on the chart when important Brexit-related news is released. Even my desk is trembling. Joking. The dollar-yen pair gave engulfing yesterday. Now this engulfing is overwhelmed and provides the yen reinforcement. Meanwhile, I don't like this horizontal spot for planning long positions. What would I prefer to see? I'd like to see a fake breakout of this spot, then a spike, a retracement and a sharp bullish move. That's what I want to see. If the price makes 3 retracements, this will create the ground for long trades. Let me mark a buy point with a blue rectangle. Here it is. So that's all for today. Manage your risks and have a good weekend. Take care.